some of you might have experienced this, the door plunger latch for the Honda Odyssey 2008. So sometimes that guy falls in like ours did. Here's how you do it. The only thing you need to do is take off the speaker panel, take that speaker out. There's the hole for the outside. So this... Welcome back, Honda Odyssey fans. We found a solution for the door latch. So there it is shut. Let me show you how I fixed it. Open. Would you look at that? Open. So here's what I did. I was able to get the guy back in there. One of the little tabs was broken, so it would push over every time the door would shut. So I made this plastic little latch washer thing. Let me show you how I did it. Here I am at my workshop. So I had these plastic tabs. They were little inserts for these plastic boxes. And I drew a little inset there, put it in the vise, used a jeweler's saw, the round blade to cut it out, a couple of trial and errors to make it fit and sand it down, and voila, there she is. And the cool thing about this is it has this little ramp for that. So here's how she looks. Yep, huge pain in the ass, but we figured it out.